Dante Solablood here with an altogether more live and 3D kind of video for you. That's right, the laptop I've been using for my Let's Plays for the last year is a bit creaky now and is in severe need of a graphics card. So I thought, why not get the cream of the crop of technology together and build a brand new beast to power through Mega Man like never before. So here we go, let's take a little stroll through what I'm going to be putting together. First of all, here we have the CoolerMaster Hyper 212 Evo CPU cooler. That's right, Hyper 212. And what about the beast is going to be keeping cool? That's right, the Intel i5-3570K. Unlocked and unleashed. Unleashed. And what kind of power will be letting this beast run free? The OCZ 500 watts CoreXStream power supply. Extreme. And for that 500 watts will barely be able to hold it back. The HD 770 GHz Vapor X overclocked edition. Sexy. And holding all that in place will be Asus P8Z77-V LX. Persistent perfection. And is that some innovation I see? Oh yes, persistent. And what was persistence without vengeance? Corsair 8 gigs of DDR3. Vengeance. And, Arctic, because Arctic's now a cool word, yeah. Arctic. Yeah. And an LG GH24NS7, because, numbers and letters are sexy. That too is, Arctic, yeah, Arctic. Anyway, Arctic Silver 5 AS5 thermal paste, because MX4 is not available. Okay. And finally, the beast of them all is the CoolerMaster K280 case. And of course, hey, you're literally on my case. Do you mind getting off my case? So they are the components which will be going into my brand new PC. And I'll be showing you a bit more of the build later on, when I've finished playing with my Deca driver. Come on, come on. Come on. That's right. See you guys in a few hours. Bye-bye. Hello, it's Dante Solablood here again, and I have my case open. Now, this is the first thing we need to do. After taking the case off, we need to install the standoffs. These will keep the motherboard on the casing and floating above. Don't want metal touching metal. And of course, the other important thing you need to remember, anti-static wrist strap. That's right, I have now plugged in and large. I have this plugged into the earth on the plug of one of my lamps. So let's hope I've got the right one in, otherwise I'm electrocuting myself. Anyway, I'll come back when I've completed another stage. Oh, almost forgot. This case comes with a handy guide for your standoffs. If you have an ATX, you can install it on A, B, C, D, E, F, then J, K, L. Those are the only standoffs you need to install. If you can see there, there is D. Anyway, back when I've made some more progress. Ta-ta, folks. Hello, a very tired Dante here, and I had to skip a bit ahead because there was so much to do, and so little time. So here we have the Sapphire HDD inside of the casing, connected up now. To me it looks upside down, but that's how the instructions say to do it. Fan is underneath, strangely enough. Here is the heatsink with an extra fan attached. Now, I might end up taking that fan off because there isn't a second CPU fan connection on my motherboard. It just has a case fan connection, power connection. So it might actually be better to get it up as the case fan at the back. Here we have the optical drive, the DVD multi-rewriter. Obviously just sat in place. A whole mess of cables. I've done some cable management here. So you can see some cable ties connecting these cables together and hooking it to the case so it doesn't flap around and get into a fan. That is a massive wires for the front panel, which I'm hoping I've done correctly. I'll find out when it's first turned on. Now, this will be tidied up. There's not going to be a spaghetti of cable sitting there. But I'm still waiting for my hard drive, a 500GB hard drive, and a wireless network card to be delivered. And I've also got Windows 7. Yes, you heard it. Old Windows. Because, well, I don't like Windows 8. Personal thing. But I've always got the possibility to update. So, that's going to be it for now. Next update will be completing the project and turning it on. Whew, expect explosions. Ta-ta. Okay, Dante here. Windows is loading its files. As you can see, whirring away is the powerhouse. Let's get a look. Very dark in there. Yeah, it's all seemingly going fine. All the fans are whirring. The screen is going. My mouse is glowing. Windows. So far, no explosions. Back in a minute. Microsoft, you see that percentage there? How about when you first load it, it doesn't stay on 0% for about 10 minutes. I nearly had kittens. Seriously. Start at 5. It'd make me feel better. Anyway, that's all for now. Back to the boring stuff. Hello, and here we have it. A fully operational PC. Fully running with its super optical multi-DVD driver. A memory stick with, ooh, what's the name of that Pokemon? Sure, I'll remember it. But yeah, fully operational, including its Sapphire fueled power. And it's up and running, and of course, playing Minecraft. 248 frames per second. And that's just sitting there in full fancy graphics. Ooh, am I about to die? Yep, I've installed my PC. Everything is running. Only a few bits run over, and got no idea how to install this driver. And yeah, about 2 people will get that joke. And keyboard, and gaming mouse, and pizza. Other pizza brands are available. But at that price, yowza. Anyway, that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing how my PC came together, and hope you enjoy the videos that come from it. TTFN, that's Tartar for now for Muffin. Bye-bye.